everyone, I am Faradi Baisamat and I will be presenting a summary of the research titled Factor Influencing Wetland Rice Farming Income in Pematang Johar Village by Ferry Prasetyo. Okay, the first one is background and problem statement. We know that the agricultural sector, particularly rice farming, plays a vital role as the main source of income for many Indonesian farmers. However, this farming income is often subject to fluctuation. Therefore, the core problem addressed in this study is which factors significantly influence rice farmers' income in the study area. Next, objective and study scope. This research has two main objectives. First, to analyze the influence of each factor individually, namely land area, labor costs, and production costs on income. Second, to test the influence of all their factors simultaneously, the study was conducted specially in Pematang Johar Village, Deli Serdang Regency. Okay, next, research design. The research employed a descriptive quantitative approach, which means we collection and analyze numerical data from the file. The data was gathered over a 6-month period, and we selected a representative sample of 42 rice farmers for our study. Next, data analysis method. To test our hypothesis, we utilized the statistical method of multiply linear regression analysis using the SPSS software. In our model, the dependent variable farming income is hypothesized to be influenced by land area, labor costs, and production costs. Next, simulate nose test result. Now we move to the result based on the F-test, which examines to overall influence. We obtain a significant value of 0.000, since this value is far below 0.05. The conclusion is clear. Simultaneously, land area, labor costs, and production costs have a very significant influence on farming income. Next, partial test and contribution. Moving to the t-test, we found that each variable also has a significant influence. The most compelling result is the coefficient of determination of 96.4%. This means that almost all variation in farmer income in Pematang Johar village is explained solely by the management of this third factor. This is an exceptionally high contribution. And then the conclusion and recommendation. In conclusion, our primary finding is that the management of land area, labor cost, and production cost area the dominant factors determining the financial success of rice farming. Therefore, our recommendation is farmers must implement strict efficiency management, especially in controlling labor costs and production costs to ensure that the maximum potential profit from the land area is achieved. This brings my presentation on the factor influencing rice farming income to an end. Thank you for your time and attention. My apologies for any imperfection.